I'm jumping in here to tell you something I should have thought to tell you before. I am 6 foot 2 inches tall, no special installation, and I have a ton of clearance here. So if that is a question in terms of how high will it be, there is your answer. 6'2", a good foot above my head, nothing special here. You tired of your same boring 1990s shower head? Let's see if we can't upgrade it with this crazy cool Keste unit, which has 174 jets. And it is all kind of self-enclosed. I'm gonna show you why that's important. Let's see what's inside this box. All right, so we got the hose, got Teflon tape, couple washers. Ooh, the handheld jet, that looks like it's got a lot of power to it. Ooh, this is a cool looking mounting unit. And again, I'm gonna show you why it's so important it's designed this way. A water restrictor if you want restricted water flow. This is both cool looking and it has a ridiculous amount of jets in it. What do you say we install it real quick? I'll show you how to do that and then we'll turn it on and see how it works. First step, the Teflon tape included in the kit, which by the way, this is essentially a lifetime supply. Wrap it down and then you got a whole roll for the rest of your life. Okay, so now I want to talk to you again about what this key feature is to having this be a single unit. So here's the key, super good reason why you want this is a single unit. If we look down on the wall, here's the old mount for the handle from the unit I'm removing, and this tape is like seriously secure, and I'm afraid to pull it off the wall here because I feel like I'm going to damage stuff. Actually, if any of you know, put it in the comments. How the heck do I get this safely off? But with this new unit, it will nicely not need anything like that. It is all just this one unit. We just keep going around in circles here now. Another important thing you need to know, this should require no tools. Now, there are indents in this here, so you could technically put a wrench on it, but for installations like this, hand tight should be more than enough. Here we go. There we go. How about that? That's all that's involved. It is not crooked, it is just the camera is not in the center here. But I'll show you its complete setup once it's together. But that is so cool. Hey, look at that guy. Shower head comes with a washer with a sand strainer included inside of it. Same process, we're just gonna twist this on. There we go, just hand tight. Pretty darn cool looking. All right, let's connect the hose. Same exact process, just twist it on, hand tighten it. I realized the camera angle that I chose here. All right, let's try this magnet out. Ready? Oh, how cool is that? Okay, so here's the look. All put on, hand tight, no screws. Looks great. I think we should come in here with the camera to test it for the leaks. I think that's the way to truly test it. If I really believed it, I wouldn't mind risking the camera, right? It is gonna shoot at me. I'm not gonna do that first. Use the switch and switch it over to Rainforest. There we go. Okay, how awesome is that? That is super cool. Working great. First shot, you gotta like when that happens. And I just switched it over to this, the handheld unit, which works amazing as well. Not a shocker based on what we've seen. And I think this is a really nice feature that it just attaches with magnets, right? How cool is that? You pick it up, use it, you're done. Nice and firm connection there. And there is an option to do both as well. That is just perfection. So my bottom line answer is you can't possibly go wrong with this. You should definitely get this for yourself if you were at all looking at this. There's a link here on the screen and down below. Both of them work the same way. Neither one's gonna cost you anything to use. Make sure you smash that hype feature here on YouTube and support the channel. Like the video, follow the channel. And again, in the comments, please tell me how to remove that scary piece of sticker off there so I can clean this up and have it look perfectly beautiful without the old hardware back there. I'd really like to know that, so put that in the comments. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.